Okay guys, welcome back to the branded new video. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to exploit weak registry permissions. And the first thing that you need to run on target machine, by the way, it is not a full explanation, it is just a short tutorial. Okay, so yeah, a POC. The first thing that you need to run is access check in order to confirm do we have permission to write on registry. If yes, that's a good point. You can check it in a manual way. The first one is access check. You can use access check, and the second one is PowerShell. Yeah, the one that I'm currently running on the terminal. So if you have a write permission or full permission, then that's easy. It means that you can actually change the path of and yeah, you can exploit this vulnerability easily. Then you just need to confirm, and in order to confirm, you can just type rec query and then the full location, and it will give you the path. So that is the exact path where we will be manipulating that path, and we will be putting our own payload for that. You just need to run msf venom, and you need to create a reverse shell, yeah. So it is a try hack me lab, by the way. And after that, you just need to upload that shell, which is x.exe, in the target machine. Currently I'm using certutel, and I'm uploading it in temp directory. Usually we have a read write permission in temp, so that will be easy for us. Once it is done, then uh yeah. Okay, after this, we simply need to run. So our file has been uploaded successfully. The next thing is we need to modify the registry, so we can change the file path, and we can use our own x.exe path, which is in temp directory. And after that, just make sure to turn on your listener netcat for incoming connection. And after that, you just need to simply stop the service. If it is already stopped, good for you. Otherwise, just simply all you need to do is to start it by just typing net start reg svc. And after a few seconds, you will be able to find out on this other side of the terminal that we already got the reverse shell, which is a good thing for us. So you can see, if I type who am I, system user, I have anti authority, means I am full privileged person.